Good day, young adventurers. Today, let's dive into the heartwarming world of farming with our friends Daisy the cow and Farmer Joe.
Hello, Daisy. Ready for another day on the farm?
Moo! Always, Farmer Joe. What are we doing today?
We're planting seeds, Daisy. It's like giving a little gift to the earth.
Moo! Gifts for the earth? That sounds fun!
Exactly, Daisy. When we plant seeds, they grow into strong green plants. It's like nature's magic.
Moo! Magic seeds? Tell me more!
These plants are like food for the soil. They give it all the nutrients it needs to stay healthy.
Moo! So we're helping the soil stay strong too!
And you know what, Daisy? These plants have flowers that bring bees and butterflies. It's like inviting friends to a party.
Moo! A party for the flowers and friends! I like that!
After a while, we get to pick delicious fruits and veggies. It's like nature saying thank you.
Moo! Thank you, nature! This is fun!
So, you see, Daisy, farming is like being nature's helper. We give, and nature gives back. It's a wonderful friendship.
Moo! I love being nature's friend. Let's keep planting and helping!
And with that, our Farming Friends adventure comes to a close. Join us in the next episode as we explore more wonders in the world of nature. Until then, stay curious, stay kind,